Alright, this is what we're going to be building. We're building a box of 2 CVR 12s with the ports on both sides like that, and it's going to fit in the back of my trunk. And then I've already mapped out all the woods already. Up here we got the top. This is the top piece. This is the back piece, front piece, bottom piece, and the left and the right. Alright, we're gonna get started.
Cause I'm on white man, 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 cause I'm on hot drop, drop, top, top, drop, whole drop it like it's hot. Yeah, nigga, I'm the shit. White man out. You see this ice on my wrist, high glitz, soon as the lights hit, you can't lie to ice sick. White man out. Perfect got me smelling funky red monkey, $500 on them, you ain't seen these yet. White man out. Beat, you can hit me way around the corner, paint wet, with the 24s on it, that's a bet. White man out. Old ladies, baby mamas, two fiances, niggas, wife, savage life, who I'm gonna fuck next. White man out. And I use the lifestyle.
Alright, now we have all the pieces cut out here. I also made all the outlines for the board. Here's the port right there on the left side. There's the cutout for the one sub right there. Other one, and then the other port right here. Alright, we're gonna Dremel that out of there and then get started on the construction of the ports. Alright. And here's the finished product after we used the Dremel to cut out everything. Nice, clean. Here's the box halfway through. None of the walls are screwed up or attached. All that's glued and nailed is the ports. You can see that right there. It's coming along really nicely. Alright, here's the finished product. I'm not completely finished, but here you go. Ports, subwoofer holes. I got the wires back in there. It's pretty nice in my trunk. Alright, here they are with the subs in. The box fits really nicely inside the back of my trunk, right in between the wheel wells. Perfect. Alright, now let's see how it sounds. Alright. Alright, here it is covered. I have everything done here, including installation. Sounds really nice, even though my amplifier at this moment is not working that well. Came out nice, came out just how I thought it would. Alright, this is what we're going to be building. We're building a box of 2 CVR 12s.